In this problem, it says a formula to estimate the monthly payments, P dollars, on a short-term loan is P equals 1/2 times A times R times Y plus A all over 12Y, where A is dollars, dollars is the amount of the loan, R is the annual interest rate expressed as a decimal, and Y, years, is the length of the loan. When A is multiplied by 2, what is the effect on P? One thing I always tell students with a problem like this is this one can actually be a lot easier than you think, because the way it works is they don't give you numbers, which means we can make up whatever numbers we want. So I'm going to set A to 1, R to 2, and Y to 3. And we're just going to see what we get. So we get 1/2, A is 1, R is 2, Y is 3. All over 12 times Y, which is 3. Now we may get a whole number, we may get a decimal, but that's okay. So 0.5 times 1 times 2 times 3 plus 2 divided by 12 times 3. So we get 0.138 repeating. Okay. So now the question is, when A is multiplied by 2, what is its effect on P? Well, now, instead of plugging in 1 in for A, whoops, I made a mistake. That shouldn't be 2. That should be 1. Let's see if that makes things a little bit nicer. Eh. 0.1 repeating. We can still work this. So now A is going to be 2. So 2 times 3 plus 2 all over 12 times 3. All right, so 1/2 times 2 times 2 times 3 plus 2 all over 12 times 3, 0.2 repeating. All right, so what happened? Well, it went from 0.1 repeating to 0.2 repeating. So what happened? P is multiplied by 2, and that's going to be the same regardless of what numbers you plug in. So anytime you have blanks, just pick different numbers for each letter and then apply the appropriate change and see what happens.